The following content is for professional training purposes only. All PRO1 products should be installed and configured by a licensed heating and cooling technician. If you are a homeowner, please contact the professional who installed this product. In this video, we will walk through the steps for configuring a T855SH PRO1 thermostat for a heat pump system. This will also be helpful for any multi-stage application. Please watch the conventional system segment of this series to review the universal tech settings that apply to all system configurations. Now let's get started setting up a 2-heat, 1-cool dual-fuel heat pump system. To enter Tech Setup, press the Menu button. Next, press and hold the Tech Set button for 3 seconds. Now press Next until you arrive at Heat Pump. Turning this setting on will configure the system for a heat pump application. The System Stages setting allows you to select the number of heat and cool stages appropriate for the system. In this video, we will select 2 heat, 1 cool for a dual-fuel heat pump system. In the System setting, you can choose what is displayed and selectable at the System button on the home screen. Here you can choose to make the system heat only, cool only, or enable auto changeover and emergency heat. Dual Fuel Auxiliary allows you to select whether the system will be using electric or gas as the backup heat. Turning this setting on will configure the system for gas, oil, propane, or other sources that are not electric. When this setting is on, the compressor will be disabled when the auxiliary heat is energized. Satisfy Setpoint allows the thermostat to keep multiple stages of heat or cool energized until the set point is satisfied, preventing it from slumping below the desired set point temperature. We will turn this setting on to maximize the gas auxiliary each time it is needed. Staging Delay postpones additional stages when they would otherwise be engaged according to the swing settings. This feature is recommended anytime you are running a program because it gives the heat pump time to bring the building to the desired temperature before turning on the gas auxiliary. For example, if the leave temperature is set at 60 degrees and the return temperature is set at 68 degrees, the system would engage the auxiliary heat every time the return time period begins. Turning on Staging Delay will lock out the auxiliary heat for up to 90 minutes to let the heat pump attempt to satisfy the desired temperature before the auxiliary heat kicks in. Many dual-fuel heat pump systems, such as this, require the use of an outdoor temperature sensor to set a dual-fuel balance point. We will briefly walk through this process, but please view the Using Remote Sensors video for more detail on remote sensor applications. The following feature requires an R251S wired outdoor temperature sensor, which is sold separately. The Remote Sensor Operation setting configures the thermostat for the type of sensor being used. Since we are using an outdoor sensor, we want to choose option 2. The Dual Fuel Balance Point setting allows you to designate when the auxiliary heat will energize based on the outdoor temperature. When the temperature is above this point, the system will energize the compressor through the Y terminal. When the temperature is below this point, the system will energize the furnace through the W2 terminal. The Balance Point Runtime setting temporarily overrides the Dual Fuel Balance Point and allows auxiliary heat to run for a period of time based on the staging logic, even if the outdoor temperature is above the balance point. Congratulations! We have successfully configured your T855SH thermostat for a 2-heat, 1-cool dual-fuel heat pump application. Please visit pro1iaq.com/videos to view more training tools associated with the T855SH and other PRO1 products.